welcome back. We're on Monday, day 9. It's May 11th, and we're on page 17 and 18. But because it's a Monday, we always have to do our shout outs for all the people that participated last week, okay? Emails, phone calls, texts, the virtual classroom meetings, right? People that have submitted things, people that have asked questions. And we've got to do our celebrations for birthdays. It's been 1 month since our last celebrations, okay? So let's get started. First of all, we're going to do our shout outs. For participating last week from period 3, Haley, Timothy, Abby, Ari, Caleb, Noah, Katie, Autumn, JD, Wolf, Grace, Dylan, Annie, Anais, Cadence, Alyssa, Jake, Ryan, and Kyle. Let's go on to period 4 now. We've got Luis is back, Kaylee, Morgan, Quinn, Kira, Emily, Miss French, Kieran, Ariam, Emily, Ms. Hans, Bailey, Jonathan, Rob, Trison, Mirtha, and Lexi. And now we're going to go to period 5. Jaden's back, Monroe, Lucas, Sydney, Elise, Mackenzie, Tessa, Cole, Cam, Joshua, Hillary, Lane, Kaylin, Tanya, Abigail, Zane is back, and Bree, and Zach. Let's ring the cowbell. Okay, and then this time we're going to do our birthday shout outs. Now, these are people that had birthdays since last April 6th. Okay, so from April 6th to now. And if I missed you, please send me a text or an email. Let me know so that I can do a shout out to you and your birthday. So, happy birthday to Wolf, Joshua, Natalie, Owen, Elise, Zane, and Luis. Happy birthday to you folks. And for them, we have our little horn. Okay, well that does our shout outs for the week. Hopefully you participate this week so we can give you a shout out next week. We're going to retool and get ready for today's lesson because this is what I call scenario week. Can you see the sample space? Can you see what we're talking about the probability consists of? See you in a minute. Okay, welcome back. So today we're on page 17 and 18, all right? This is what I call scenario week. This is where, remember in class where I would tell you to just do the math and don't worry about being right or wrong. It's how you interpret the words and what you visualize to see that they're asking. We could have tons of different answers, okay? But I'm asking you to jump in and figure it out according to how you interpret the words. So let's get started. On the very first problem, on page 17, it says, identify the sample space. So let's do something we've been doing the last week, okay? We have a deck of cards, okay? 52 cards in a deck. What is the sample space? Okay, now, 52 cards. That could be the sample space. 52 individual cards. You could say that. 4 suits of 13, right? Diamonds, hearts, clubs, spades. You could actually say 4 of 13 different cards. 4 1s, 4 2s, 4 3s. That's your sample space. The dice. Remember last week we're rolling 5 dice? What is the sample space? 5 dice with 6 numbers each. Nothing wrong with that. That's the way you interpret sample space. All right? So, if you look at the back page, page 18, it says probability model. Same idea. The probability model of a deck of cards. Okay? 4 sets of 13, or you have the suits, the numbers, or 52. You define the probability model. Okay? That's all we're doing today. Remember, it's only 20 minutes a day, so don't take that long. Just roll right through them. Okay? So we're going to pull the first one right up. Poof. Okay? On page 17, A, number 1. Identify the sample space for each situation. A number cube with sides labeled 1 to 6 dots is rolled once. Okay? What is the sample space? There's only 6 possible outcomes. 1 dice, roll it. What could come up? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Done. Now, math notation. The set of numbers 1 through 6. Cool. All right. Try each of them on that page. Flip to page 18, B, number 1. Probability model. What is it that we're talking about? A box contains 4 bagels, 2 blueberry bagels, 1 sesame seed bagel, 5 cheese bagels. A bagel is chosen at random from the box. Oh, right? Poof. What came out? We have to describe the probability model, and then they're going to add one word. Uniform. Uniform, non-uniform. Let's hold off on that. So, this is what I see. I see 12 bagels. Right? Kind of like a box of donuts. Okay? We have 4 peas, 4 of the plain, 2 blueberry, okay, 1 sesame seed, 5, what's the last one? Cheese. Cool. That's it. That's our model. 4 of 12, 2 of 12, 1 of 12, 5 of 12. That's it. Okay? Now they added a term. Uniform, non-uniform. If I reach in to pull 1 bagel out, is it random? Are they all exactly the same? Or will the certain ones be more apt to be pulled out? In other words, does each bagel look exactly like the other one? See, on the dice, all the dice are the same. The cards, all the cards are the same. Are the bagels the same? I'm going to assume that each bagel looks the same. So again, it's up to you on what you feel, all right? So I'm going to say yes, uniform. Okay? I'm going to say yes, uniform. All the bagels should be the same. Okay? If you disagree, feel free to disagree, because a plain bagel is not the same as a blueberry, right? Okay. So that's all today's activity is. Go through each one. If you want a little extra, add to the actual math, write 4 over 12, 2 over 12, 1 over 12, and 5 over 12. Okay? But you don't have to. All right? So just finish this day. It's only 20 minutes. Enjoy yourself. For tomorrow, there are a couple of videos to start watching. Okay? So remember, you can go to Blackboard. We're on Module 5, Topic 1. And there are some videos to help you understand the math behind it. But again, this is scenario week. Each of us could have different answers based on how we interpret the words. All right? So This finishes day 9. It's May 11th. It's a Monday. Have a great day. That's right. I'm going to see you at 1 o'clock on the virtual classroom. Which reminds me, I sent you an email early this morning about the ability to download a desktop version of the TI-84. It's called the Wabbit emulator. All right? And I tagged your parents so that they know I'm letting you know that it's safe to download this. It's just 2 files. Just click on the execute file. It's going to ask you for what does it look like, and I sent you a .rom file. Okay? Put it right on the desktop. Now, I created a video tutorial on where you can find the executable file and the .rom file. Okay? It's in Teams, and it's under Files. Just click download. It's safe, and it gives you this calculator because some of the math really starts to get big. All right? So, see ya.